Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You already have the essentials. Now begin. Create your channel from your Google account, choose a focus name, and upload a profile picture and banner that match your niche. Once done, verify your account with a phone number to unlock uploads and custom thumbnails. This matters because viewers judge trust by visuals. Make sure channel settings, privacy, channel keywords, and branding reflect your goals and connect social links so viewers can follow you across platforms. You now move into production and optimization. Plan a small batch of videos with clear hooks, outlines, and thumbnail sketches so you can batch produce efficiently. Film using steady framing and good audio. Viewers forgive less polish but not bad sound. Edit for pacing, add captions, and export at a high bitrate. When uploading, craft a searchable title, detailed description, and 5-10 relevant tags. Upload a custom thumbnail, and add the video. You finish by growing and refining. Publish consistently and promote each video across social channels. Consistency trains the algorithm and your audience. Check analytics weekly. Click-through rate and average view duration tell you what to tweak. Then iterate thumbnails, hooks, and video length accordingly. Once you hit 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours, apply for monetization. If uploads fail, clear cache. Retry different browser and check copyright claims. Often a permissions or filing coding issue is the culprit.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.